Hi, yes. So I'm just continuing on with our order of operations and what our student workbook would look like, our student activity book. So for this week, we will be doing page 19. I've went ahead and I've started on number 1. And my first thing that I want to do, just until I really just know this PEMDAS by heart, is I want to go ahead and just write it down the side so that I can reference this while I'm trying to get my answer. So I'm looking at number 1 here, and the first thing I want to look for is, are there any parentheses in this problem? And no, I don't see that there are. So that tells me I can then go on down to the E, which is exponents. If I'm looking at this problem, I do not see any exponents as well. So then that's my clue that I can continue on down to the M and the D, which is multiplication and division. So I'm looking in this problem here for either one of those, and I do see that there is a division part here. And so I'm going to go ahead and solve that. So I've got 12 divided by 2, which is 6. We want to go ahead and bring down our 8 plus, which turns into 8 plus 6 equals. After I've checked my M and D, now I'm going down to the A and S, which is addition and subtraction. And now I am seeing that I do have an 8 plus 6. So 8 plus 6 here is 14, which makes our answer 14. Okay. Same thing over here for number 2. I'm just writing my PEMDAS down the side to give myself a reminder. I'm starting at the top with P, which is parentheses. Do I see parentheses in this problem? Yes, I do. I see the parentheses right here. So that's going to be the first part that I solve. 12 take away 3 is 9. Okay. And we do want to bring down our 10 times. Okay, so now my problem is 10 times 9 equals. Go to the E. Are there exponents? No. Is there multiplication or division? Yes. So I would then do 10 times 9, which is 90. Okay. All right, so these are just a couple examples of how to do some problems using order of operations. Also, another page that the students will be working on this week is going to be page 20. And so for this, it is asking to insert grouping symbols to make each equation true. So let me go here. So it's saying that this problem here for number 7, it says that 17 minus 6 plus 1 equals 10. Well, we need to figure out what part of this problem here was done first in order to get the 10 for an answer. Okay, so what I would like to do is just kind of test out a strategy here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put my 2 parentheses on either side of these 2 numbers, showing that I'd want to do this part of the problem first. So let's test out and see if this works and see if this equals 10. If I have 17 take away 6, that would be 11 plus the 1, okay, and that would give me 12. Uh-oh, that's not the right answer. The answer that we're looking for is 10. So now I know that that's not it. So now I can erase. And I can try to put my parentheses in a different spot. Let's try my parentheses around the 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, we want to make sure that we drop down our 17 minus. 17 minus 7 is 10. Great, that's exactly what I was looking for my answer up here. They both match, which tells me that yes, those parentheses went around the 6 and the 1. You will do similar things in these next problems here. I do want to say that for this week's work, some things that might be sent home to you is working through these problems here with order of operations, and then also working on this riddle for finding the answers for each of these equations. If you have, or expressions, if you have any questions about anything, please let me know, and I can answer anything that you might have. Thank you.